Hi guys, my name is James. I've been on the keto diet for about 6 months now. And unlike most diets, the keto diet is more of a lifestyle change. It's not like a crash fad diet that everybody does. You just change your daily routines, change your habits just a little bit. And I'm gonna show you guys what an average day of what my life looks like on the keto diet. With any new diet, your body is going through change, which when your body goes through change, you're gonna be stressed. I like to start my morning off with yoga and some stretches that just sets me up for the rest of the day. All right, so the 5 main stretches that I do to start my day, I do a hamstring stretch to really loosen up my hamstrings. That also loosens up my calves and my glutes. Second stretch I do is always my lower back. My lower back is very tight. So that second stretch that I do is great stretch to loosen up that lower back. Helps with your posture. My third stretch that I do is for your IT band, which your IT band goes from your iliac crest of your pelvis all the way down to your tibialis. It's a very long muscle that typically doesn't get stretched very often. So that one's great to really loosen up your hips, loosen up your lower body. Fourth stretch I do is for your core. Really loosens up all the muscles of your midsection. The fifth stretch that I do is for your chest and your shoulders. A lot of people, especially if you have desk jobs, everybody rounds your shoulders, and that one's really good at opening up that chest, opening up those shoulders to improve your posture. And I try to dedicate at least like 10 minutes to those stretches, sometimes a little bit more if I'm carrying a little bit more stress, a little bit more tense, a little bit more sore from a workout, but at least 10 minutes would be a great way to start your day. After my morning stretches, I like to jump right into my meal prep. Sets me up for the rest of the day to cook all my meals at once. Then I don't have to stress later about what I want to eat and what I have to eat. And I'm actually doing a video on this. So if you want to see what I eat in a day, the link should be in the description and you should go check it out. All right, so I just meal prepped, I just ate lunch. Now I'm gonna go outside, do a little workout, some cardio. But before that, I like to pop a couple exogenous ketones with Fitoro's BHB oil capsules. Gives your body a quick boost of energy that you're gonna be able to use throughout your workout. All right, so we're at the park. I'm gonna start with a little bit of cardio. I'm gonna do a 3-mile jog. I'm gonna aim for 7-minute miles. And then I'm gonna finish with some resistance band work. All right, we're gonna start a run. Here we go. All right, so I just finished my 3-mile run, and now I'm gonna finish up with some light resistance band work. I love bringing resistance bands anywhere I go. It's like a portable gym. They're lightweight. You could literally do everything, and I'm gonna take you through about a 30-minute full body workout that I typically do. So the first two that I do, I use these 2 resistance bands. This one's a little bit lighter, this one's a little bit heavier. I put them around one my ankles, one my upper knee. I do walks forward and walks backwards. Really works all your leg muscles in different parts that you wouldn't work in the gym. The next 2 exercises, I do a shoulder press and also a bicep curl. Really is good for, depending on where you arch your back, you can hit your upper chest as well with your shoulders. And then your bicep curls, gotta get the biceps in, right? And then the last 2 exercises I do will be for your back. I do a rear delt one with the resistance band, and then I do also a resistance band row. That's gonna hit different parts of your back. With all those combined, you get a total full body workout. All right, so I just finished my workout. I'm just gonna chill out now, cool down a little bit, listen to some music, read a book, and hang out for the rest of the afternoon. All right, so I just got back from my workout. I'm feeling pretty hungry, but luckily I prepped all my meals this morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat these ground beef lettuce wraps, and I cannot wait. All right, so that's a day in the life. Now I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my night with some of my friends. It is the weekend, but we gotta keep it keto friendly, so I'm gonna be drinking vodka sodas. If you guys like this video, subscribe to Fitoro's YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys around.